Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation, episode number 63. And the topic for today is clarity when there is chaos. AI-led layoffs, war in Middle East, lot of uncertainty and chaos. Obviously, our mind will be confused. And by default, our anxiety mind want to do more. It want to do a lot of actions. But friends, when there is a fog, running leads to accident. Take a pause. Don't react to the news. Let's focus only on our circle of influence or only on your circle of influence. Focus and use a filter of 3. Amidst the noise, identify only the 3 things that actually moves the needle and take you to the next level, make you excellent in your own craft. Whether you are a working executive as an entrepreneur, focus only on the 3 things which you feel will add relevant value to you in this particular year. If it's not in the top 3, it's just a noise masquerading as news. So don't focus on the external news. Focus on the top 3 things within your circle of influence which can take you to the next level. There is a message for this week, friends. Thank you once again. This is Subramanian, author and sales specialist. See you by next week.